Hello everyone, we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in US Championship 2025 or 2025 US Women Chess Championship. So today is round number 7, so long game, so round robin. And also have a between from this woman grandmaster in USA is Atauza Porkashia. So Parkashia was live in Iranian chess master. So so the wife of Hikaru Nakamura. So versus international master in USA is Alice Lee, close friends by Karisai. So in this part of this videos, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 7. So white plays Porkashia is e4, c5 Lee Sicilian defense, knight f3, knight c6, and also d4 open Sicilian, knight captured, and also knight f6 threats the pawns, and also knight c3, and also d6 bishop e2 without preparing castling by Porkashia. So what code of this one? So not yet by variation, and also e5 attacks the knights, and knight f3 go back, and also bishop e7 by Lee by preparing castling kingside here, and also castle kingside by Porkashia, castling by Lee. So what code of this one is called by Sicilian defense open classical Boleslavsky variation. And also bishop g5 attacks the knights here, and also bishop e6 without movement by Lee, and also capture this bishop, bishop captured, and also knight d5 by Porkashia without attacks the bishop, and bishop before attacks the knights here, and also bishop captured knight, queen takes captured, and also queen b6 without threats the pawns. Without threats here, counters attacks the tempos attacks. And also decided queen b3 without queen to queen. So these are a new move, novelty by Porkashia. So these are the old main knights here by pawn b3 or rook fb1. So these are a old main lines. So new novelty, queen b3, queen to queen, novelty by Porkashia. And also queen c7 ignorance. So for example, if you capture this one, how do you do that if you captured by queen takes b3 and also pawn captured? So these are a weak the pawn structure here. So weak by this one the pawn structure. So these are a examples. So ignorance by queen c7 by Lee here, and also pawn c3, and also bishop g6 by Lee, and also rook a d1 by Porkashia, and also rook a c8 without queens behind the rooks by Lee, and also rook f e1, king g7 need more king must be active by Alice Lee, and also knight d2. So it means without move straight from the points here by knight d2, or maybe without next move by knight to c4. So next counters or knight b1, and also knight a5 without threats the attacks the queens here, and also decided queen d5 by Porkashia, and also bishop g5 attacks the knights, and also b4 without pawns without tempos attacks the knights, and decided by Lee by bishop captured knight without threats the rooks, and also rook captured bishop, and also knight c4 without idea by threats the rooks here, and also bishop captured, and also queen takes captured without queen to queen, and decided by this one is rook e3 by Porkashia without defense the pawns, because so without queens without threats the pawns here. So it means so Porkashia decided by rook e3 without develops the pawns here, and decided Alice a queen takes accepted, rook takes accepted by queen, and also rook fd8. So without rook pairs here, and also king f1. So we need more idea by move by king to king. King must be active by move side here. So need more straight from the points by kings, and also king f6 by Lee. So it means very good precise move by Alice Lee here. And also king e2, king must be active by Porcassia. And also king e6, so need more kings must be active without threats the rooks. I don't know what ideas by attacks the rooks here. And decided Porcassia is rook b5 without attacks the pawns. So it means that threats the pawns. And also decided b6 by Lee. And also a4 without idea. This one is pawn a5 without attacks the pawns here. And also rook c6 without idea but defends the pawns. And also a5 without attacks the pawns. And f5 without counters attacks, without idea by strong move by Lee without threats the pawns here. Or maybe without move closest by push by f4 without threats the rooks here. And decided this one is captured, king takes, and also rook d3, and also king e6 without good movement by Alice Lee, without king must be active. And also rook d2 by Porcassia, and also d5, and also captured, and also rook a2 without idea decides moves here, or maybe without defense by rook a6 or rook a7. So how do you controls by next move here? And also pawn e4 by Lee, and also rook a7, rook captured pawns, and also rook captured. So without rook captured without check, and also king e5, and also rook a2, good move by Porcassia without develops by this one the good precise here. And also king d4 by Alice Lee, and also rook d2 check, and also king c4. So without king c4, and also rook b7 attacks the pawns by b7, and also king b3. So almost by strongest by kings by Alice Lee. And also rook captured, so it means does not one of this computer engine by Porcassia. So the best moves this one is once computer is rook to e7 here. Need more stay here by rook. So no need by capture this one the pawns here. So etc. These are the slightly advantage from whites here. So back there, rook captured. So guessing puzzle, what do you think the best move by International Master Alice Lee? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Best move d4. Good move by Alice Lee. So very strongest by pawns by this one by Lee. Or without idea by this one by move closer by push d3. Check. So very strongest the blocks here. And also rook e7 without threats the pawn. So it means another bad move by Porcassia. So the one's computer pawn b5 here. So need more pawns. So it means no need by this one ba. So no need by rook here. Rook e7. So I'm sorry the word ba. So it means b5 is the best move. So these are the good slightly betters from whites here. So slightly betters here. I'm sorry I got wrong words, so like say ba. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. So it means so back there this one is Rook e7 by Porcassia without threats the pawns, and d3 checks. So very strongest here by precise by Alice Lee. So very strongest by good decisions by this successful. And also King e1 and also Rook c1. Very strong move by Alice Lee. So strongest move by this one, the younger girl by Alice Lee. And decided defense by Rook d1 by Porcassia. And also good move by another good move. This one is battery Rook dc8. So another strong good precise by Alice Lee here. And also Rook a7 and also Rook 8c2. So very strongest without idea by check. So Rook e2 check. So it means so very dangerous from whites here by Porcassia or determinations here. And also captured, so it means that's not one of this computer. Another third bad move by Porcassia. So the one's computer accuracy is Rook a1. Need more move, strong move. So if you captured by Rook captured, wait, if you move by Rook captured a1, so it means Rook captured. So it means so it means 4 pawns here by Porcassia, so 3 pawns by Alice Lee. So it means these are thus good solutions here. So it means back there, this one is Rook captured, and the last move d2 check, Porcassia resigns. So why she resigns? Because so if you move by this one is King e2, only moved by Porcassia, and also captured c1 queen mating net. So lose from whites and queens for blacks. And another, so if you move by right side by King f1, only moved by Porcassia, and captured t takes c1 queen mating net. So lose from whites and black wins. So the score by accuracy by Porcassia is 86.4, and the score by accuracy 97.6 by Alice Lee. So the winner from round number 7, International Master Alice Lee. Congratulations. So I will next by analyze. So let's pray for the intentions from the internal repose of American chess master Danielle Naroditsky. So she was a 29 years old, passed away last October 19, Sunday. So I will next by round number 8, another by round number 8. So I will analyze by this women's quiz. So I will choose of these games. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi17, aka IconMark17. So have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget my subscribe by my YouTube channel Mark Loagi17 English speaking and Mark Loagi17 part 2 speak Tagalog and Cebuano. So happy Sunday and or happy Tuesday, sorry. So happy Tuesday and bye bye.